What's up everyone, my name is Dhanush Achar and welcome back to yet another vlog. Right now, I'm in a quarantine situation. I hope everybody's safe. Please do take this thing very seriously. It's not a joke. Please do not go out, and also please do not go out to check if others have gone out or not. That's happening a lot these days. That aside, so I thought, anyways, I'm at home 24/7 now. So I really wanted to do a video and I got an opportunity to do it. I had a Bose wireless earphones that kind of got spoiled, so I sent it back to Bose and they gave me a new one. So I've received it. And I thought, why not do an unboxing? Let's see how this goes. I have not been scammed. I like it. Oh yeah. Oh sweet Jesus. So this is what I got. Drop a like if you like doing this. That's what's up. Okay, moving on. I've seen all YouTubers do this. Not as satisfying as I thought it would be. Didn't come off that clean. I actually wanted the blue one when I wanted to buy it in the first place, but they didn't have the blue one back then, and I got the black one, which was really good. But at the end of the day, if you really want something, you get it. The box itself is so plush. It makes you feel all nice and posh inside, even if you're not. This is what it comes in. This is the case for the earbuds itself, and what you get in here is some reading material, I'm guessing. Yeah, nobody really looks at this. So you get some earplugs with it. Different size. Small one and the small S and an L. USB to micro USB cable. Alright, so that's all what you get in the box. I don't think so. Oh, this thing doesn't even come up. I think you just have to slide this up. This is hard. Oh, okay, that's how it is. Where is the satisfying feel, man? So the one which I've got right now is a blue color. So right now there are 4 colors in it. So one is blue, black, orange, and another purple one. The casing of it feels super awesome. The quality wise is always top notch. It's got a matte finish to it with a little glossy Bose written on it. On the exterior, it's got this button to unlock the entire case itself. And when you touch the button itself, it just shows you how much power the case has. Alright. So once you open it, so you get to see the truly wireless earbuds. So these are what they look like. If these buds are already connected to your phone, as soon as you take out the right earbud, it connects to your phone directly. It connects fairly quickly. You can actually connect these things to 7 devices at the same time. The case itself is fairly light. The color that I've gone for the second time, because they didn't have the black one, is blue. The first thing that everybody would probably ask for is the price of these things. 18,990 rupees. So yeah, that's a lot. I had to think a lot before buying these. Anyways, the color here is blue. It's got a very gradient kind of a finish. It looks really nice. The winglet thing, this is what basically keeps these things in here, right? This is how it goes. These things are actually super comfortable, if you can see the design. Another thing that might immediately pop is that these things are huge. It sticks out. It sticks out quite a lot. It's not too subtle. Let me just put it that way. It is not subtle at all. But the thing is, even though they're pretty huge, they do not come out at all. No matter how hard you shake your head. Okay, that just gave me a little headache. But you get the point, right? So these things. Ow. So these things don't come out at all. They sit pretty comfortably in your ear, no matter how much you walk out or you run or you shake or you jump or do whatever you want. These things you can use it while you're working out or having a run in the morning or evening or whatever it is, whenever you go. So I think these things are really one of the best earphones that you can purchase in the market in today's time, especially considering it being truly wireless. Now, why is it truly wireless? It's because you see all these wireless headphones which are connected to each other, right? So those are wireless. Truly wireless basically means these two are also independent of each other. So these are not connected by any wire. Alright, so the quality of these earphones are top notch. The exterior of it is made of some sort of a hard rubber. Because of that, the buttons are way too hard to use. I mean, it's easy for you to access the buttons and all. The buttons are very prominent, but you need to put some effort into it. There are three buttons on the right earphone, which is plus minus, which is obviously for volume, and the center button is for play pause. And also what it does is, if at all it's not connected to your phone, you can just press that and you can connect the right one. And also when you long press the center button, it also activates your Siri or Google Assistant, or depending on which platform you're on. The left earbud has one button. It sort of shifts between the devices that you're connected with. Imagine now, if these are connected to 7 different phones, you can shift between the devices just by pressing this button on the left earbud. When talking about the case, these things are magnetic, so all you have to do is just, it is slightly problematic where you need to be a little careful when you're putting these things down, but regardless of what it is, it doesn't fall out from the case at all, whatever it is. Even if you lose these earpods or earphones, these being so tiny and whatnot, I mean, there are tendencies of you misplacing it somewhere in your room. Bose has an app, obviously. In the app, you can just go and ask for Find My Buds, and this emits a high frequency sound where you can actually hear it and just go pick it up. But you can't check the location. If you're buying this, be careful. Actually, if you're buying any truly wireless earphones, everybody has to be careful that there are chances that you might lose one of them. This is the command unit. So if you lose this, it's still okay. If you lose the left one, it's still fine. You can still use the right one. But if you lose the right one, you're screwed. Even if you have the left one, there's no point in you having it at all. Right, now let's come to the main point of these earphones: quality of the sound. I've tried out a lot of wireless earphones, and this by far is the best sounding earphones that at least I've tried so far. I mean, I'm in love with the quality of sound that this produces. Absolutely amazing. Truly sensational experience. It's quite immersive, and I have no complaints about it absolutely whatsoever. I am totally in love with these. I was, and I'm still going to be. Because these things are truly wireless, they do have slight syncing problems. Sometimes what happens is there's no proper sync between the two, or there's a lag between the phone and the earphones. I mean, those are the issues that these truly wireless earphones kind of face. But apart from that, I think this is absolutely mind-blowing. To think that we have come all the way from boom boxes to these. So anyway, this was a small tech unboxing or something of that sort. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then,